Hi again, Josh Carr here. So I'm back with an issue that someone pointed out to me that I thought was interesting. A colleague came to me and said, I want to have a financial model that does a couple calculations, say calculates a mortgage for A and calculates a mortgage for B. But when I run this model and I'm doing reporting and I'm showing A the answer, I want to hide the B information. And when I show B the answer, I want to hide A's information. So in this case, I've got one tab called A that shows the answer of 70,000 and B that shows the answer of 65. And on this worksheet that I called Engine, I can basically toggle between show only the sheet called A, but hide the sheet called B, show only the sheet called B and hide the sheet called A, or show everything. Well, this is exactly the kind of problem that Visual Basic was built for. After I've had built A, B, and all using data validation, which is a very common tool to just build a little pull down. And I'm not saying there aren't other ways of doing it, but this is a simple way of doing it. I then went here, I view code, and I built some very simple code that basically says, look at a specific cell, and then if the specific cell says A, hide the B sheet and show the A sheet. If it's B, hide the A sheet but show the B sheet. And finally, if it says all, then show everything. Now, there are more complex ways of doing this, but this is a relatively simple way of doing it. Whatever I have in cell G4, basically, as I change it from A to B to everything, it hides or shows certain things. You'll also notice, if you're not familiar with this, that instead of just saying I'm hiding the sheet, I'm making the sheet very hidden. One of the benefits of making it very hidden is you cannot simply unhide the sheet from down here by right-clicking on the tabs. You actually have to be like show A or B or everything. And I put this into a pull down. You don't have to make it a pull down. You could just simply do type A or type B or something. Um, Again, I'm not saying there aren't more elegant ways of doing it, but this is a pretty simple way to just be like, sometimes I feel like showing everything. Sometimes I want to show one thing. Sometimes I want to show the other. And again, there's the code that does it. Cool. Very simple solution. Hope you find that to be interesting. I use this sort of stuff in modeling because, again, sometimes you don't want to show all the reporting. Maybe you want to customize it for different people. Awesome. And by the way, one final thought. I put this on the same worksheet as where the calculations are. I didn't need to. I could have made an entirely different worksheet for it and put it there too. Anyway, if this sort of stuff fills you with joy and you want to learn more about real estate financial modeling, you can always check out my website at www.kahrrealestate.com, or if you want to do some online courses, you can always just go to the heck was I? Just go to courses.kahrrealestate.com. Anyway, thanks again, and best of luck.